Hello everyone. The 21st century is all about artificial intelligence and machine learning. Let me give you an example. Hey Alexa, familiar with the term? This is artificial intelligence. Your personal assistant can help you if you want to know what is the weather. It can also play music or make a phone call for you. This is possible with the help of technology. There are many other apps which help you in your day-to-day life. Let me give you an example, which is online shopping. In online shopping, you can make payments as well as shop. One such example is Student Management app. In this pandemic situation, the schools have adopted this online app and have been conducted classes successfully. They have also been doing the assignment and the test online. Hence, this technology has proven very successful and very useful in the current situation. Everyone has adopted technology. And nowadays, the computers and software are changing everything. We are well versed with the technologies around us. But as we can see, most of the schools are lagging to give the practical exposure. They are facing difficulties for obvious reasons such as lack of technologies, and so they are behind the others who have adopted the technology and are well versed with it. If we look at the students and analyze what they like, even today, they like performing arts and computer science very much. This is because of the usegraphic app we have taken the reference. So, it is clear that they like and want to adopt technology. And especially coding. Many parents want their children to learn coding. As the term coding suggests, people think that it is all about learning technology. No, it is not. Coding requires technology, that's right, but coding is not just about technology. It is about creativity, computation skill, logical thinking, analytical thinking, and many other things. Let me explain it to you. If a student develops an app, first he had to create it in his mind, take all the logic and apply it using the technologies and all the codes. But before that, his creativity increases, it enhances a lot because he has to think about the app, what ways he can develop it, what more things he can do it, and that also requires analysis. What he wants to make, what if, what not, to put in the app, what will happen if they will give one command, what are the consequences, what other command should be given. Thus, not only analytical thinking, but also logical thinking develops. This all is because of coding. They are thinking a lot in that direction, the technology direction. Nowadays also, if we see and analyze very well, you can find that we are the users of the technology. We all use this technology. We haven't created. When it comes to creating something, you learn it at your post-graduation or graduation level. Until then, we are just the users of technology. But if we introduce it at primary levels to the student, whose creativity is very well, then they can at least think and develop app in their minds, and later on in the high school and middle school, they can actually work on the app and develop it. So, this is where we come in, BrainExcel. BrainExcel has been teaching coding to kids since 2015. This makes our experience of 6 years. We at BrainExcel have considered every minute detail and have designed a syllabus which is kids oriented. Our trainers also play a crucial role in the success of our brand. They are very well qualified and are kid friendly. Our vision is to make coding a fun experience while teaching as well as learning. And our mission is to extend our boundaries to benefit the students. Some of the courses which we offer are app development course. The app development course is primarily aimed at students who have at least a little experience in coding. The main aim is to familiarize learners with programs in addition to creating an effective app. Game development course. We introduce programming concept using this interesting platform for kids. Kids can easily relate and developing a game becomes fun. Website design. We teach students to develop informative website of their favorite topic which have links. The next is timeline animation. It is the advanced animation based on timeline which contains layer, concept and perfect timing of movement of character, object in scene. Graphic design. In this we teach advanced professional graphic software which helps to design brochures, logos, GIF files, magazine cover, digital art. We also offer programming languages which are generally used for logic building. These languages are C, C++, Java, Python. In advanced web design to students who are of higher level. And database management is also taught. The benefits a student will get from our courses. We give personalized attention to each and every student of our batch. Our courses are latest. We keep upgrading our courses from time to time. The training is given from qualified and well-educated trainers whom we train for the syllabus we have designed. Our approach is 100% practical. We just don't give them notes, but we teach them online on the computer what they need to do. We have flexible timings. We are okay with the timings once decided. The after-class support, which is given by us to our student. We are just a message away if they have any difficulty, even after the classes. We have engaging in interesting hands-on classes. As I have already told you, we have 100% practical approach, and whatever examples the students are given are very popular in them and are of their interest. So our classes become engaging and it is according to their interest. What we have to offer for the school? We can say that we can be another feather in your cap. Our course would be an added benefit to the students as well as to your curriculum. Parents will be satisfied as their children will be learning a new technology which is an advanced technology. Thus, we will be an value education to your school to attract students. You can from the next batch tell that you are teaching coding, so it will be an added benefit for you. That is all about BrainExcel coding classes. We wish to learn more from you about what you think about us. These are our contact details. We are a phone call away. Thank you.